Question 11. The diagram below shows the different stages of how a flower develops into a fruit. Now, which picture shows you a flower that is in full bloom and ready for reproduction? That is in picture B. Two processes must happen for the flower to change into a fruit. So the first process is pollination, and the second process is fertilization. What is the structure that actually changes to become the fruit? That is the ovary. I'm going to circle it here and label it the ovary. Remember, the ovary is hidden inside the petal. And this structure that I'm labeling here is known as the sepal. The sepal protects the flower before it blooms. Now, after the process of pollination and fertilization, the petals and anthers actually wither and die off. Which picture shows that? We have picture D. I'm going to label the petals and anthers withering. And remember the position of the ovary? Let me circle it for you. The ovary is going to continue growing and develop to become the fruit, just like in picture A here. So I'm going to label this as the developing fruit. Eventually, the fruit is going to reach its full size, like in picture C. And what is the function of the fruit? Not only does it store the seeds, the fruit also helps to disperse the seeds. And the idea is to disperse the seeds further away from the parent plant. The question wants us to arrange the pictures in the correct order of development. So we begin with the flower that was ready for reproduction. And after the process of pollination and fertilization, we see the petals and anthers withering. That's in picture D. And in picture A, we see the ovary developing to become the fruit. And eventually the fruit reaching its full size with seeds inside. And which option shows us the correct order? That is option number 1.